one part is high busy part, yes, and other three parts are less busy. Okay, jobs are migrated to less busy parts of the grid. Yes, again you can see jobs are migrated to less busy parts of the grid to balance load. Another advantage of grid computing is reliability. You know, the reliability is the benefit of distributed system, okay, such as grid. The system in the grids can be relatively inexpensive and geographically dispersed. Thus, if there is a power or other kind of failure at one location, the other parts of the grid are not likely to be affected. Grid management software can automatically resubmit jobs to other matches on the grid when a failure is detected. In critical real-time situations, multiple copies of important jobs can be run on different machines throughout the grid. You can see this situation in the figure in the next slide. Yes, you can see this situation in this slide. Multiple copy of job X are provided, and copies on some matches in different location on the grid. Okay, these can create and provide reliability for grid computing, because if one node crash, okay, other node can execute the job X. Another advantage of grid computing is management. The goal is to virtualize the resources on the grid more uniformly handle heterogeneous system will create new opportunities to better manage a larger, more distributed IT infrastructure. It will be easier to visualize capacity and utilization, making it easier for IT departments to control expenditure for computing resources over a larger organization. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce the grid terms and concepts. Okay, first, types of resources. A grid is a collection of machines, sometimes referred to as nodes, resources, members, donors, clients, hosts, angels, okay, and many other such terms. Okay, one type of resource in grid, one important type of resource in grid is computation. The most common resource is computing cycles provided by the processor of the machines on the grid. The processor can vary in speed, in architecture, in software platform, and other associated factors such as memory, storage, and connectivity. Okay. Another resource is storage. The second most common resource used in a grid is data storage. A grid providing an integrated view of data storage is sometimes called a data grid. Each machine on the grid usually provides some quantity of storage for grid use, even if temporary. A storage can be memory attached to the processor, or it can be secondary storage using hard disk drives or other permanent storage media. Okay. Another resource on grid is communication. The rapid growth in communication capacity among machines today make grid computing practical compared to the limited bandwidth available when this